Sino ang unang nag-message sa'yo after ka lumabas ng PBB House? Hello everybody, it's me again, Smiling Shuvi, and welcome to my fam era. For today's video, gagawa po tayo ng isang challenge, ang Truth or Dare Challenge. Nandito yung mga dare natin at nandito yung mga truth natin. Kaya naman, questions to answer. First question, sino ang unang nag-message sa'yo after ka lumabas ng PBB House? Grabe, ang tagal kong hindi nahawakan yung cellphone ko, guys, ha. Tapos ang una kong nakita yung family ko. Hindi sila nagkaroon ng chance na lumipad ka agad. So, nag-message na lang sila na they were proud of me daw. Next question. Pinaka nakakatuwang experience mo nung first year mo sa Manila. So, nung nasa EDSA po ako, akala ko, guys, sa picture kasi, diba, starstruck ako sa EDSA. Tapos, alam mo yung ginawa ko, sabi ko sa driver, stop the car, kasi nakita ko ang billboard ko at gusto ko mag-picture doon. Tapos, sabi ni Kuya, okay ka lang, madam? Kasi hindi pala pwede yun. For our third question, pinaka-awkward period mishap you've experienced. Alam mo, ayoko itong pag-usapan. So, i-dare natin to. Sabi ng dare na to ay, do a trending TikTok dance move, show confidence in every step. Play music. Next ay, have you ever doubled up on napkins just to feel secure? Honestly, yes. Nagawa ko na until nahanap ko yung tamang product for me. But when I found, guys, yung femme, guys, na kailangan mo na lang isuotin. As in, pag malakas yung heavy yung flow ng ating period, minsan kailangan talaga natin yung secured tayo ba, kumbaga, para confident ako at on the go. Next question ay, have you ever asked a stranger if may extra napkins sila? Yeah, it happens. It normally happens sa ating mga girly sisterhood dyan. Siyempre, Gina magpahiram. Last question. What's your ultimate fam tip for surviving red days? If you're someone like me na sobrang heavy kung mag-period ako, isa lang ang masasabi ko sa inyo. Ito talaga ang dakilang holy grail ng fem, ang kanilang menstrual pants. Sobra akong confident pag sinusuot ko siya. Alam mo yung iwas period mishaps. It's very secured, very safe, and very confident ka to just go with the flow. And sobrang sarap sa feeling pag alam mo yung protected ka and secured. And that's it for our Truth or Dare. I hope I have revealed some truths and sana nasiyahan kayo sa ating dare. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aking video as your new femme girly. Charis. I love y'all! Mwah!